Hello and welcome to the 2.5 minute warning. Today is the 18th day of November 2017. Everything you do within your own risk, own reward. Bitcoin prices in at 76.52, really just hanging in there as it is now on the second possible day of holding and staying above this around 7,500 area, 7,400 even, which was resistance at the start of November. Yesterday it held as support. It still needs to get above this trend line to have an explosive 20, 30, 40, 50% day or multiple day gain period. But the interesting times will kick into play, I think, for the major up moves again on a break of this resistance. It's going to be very big if this area doesn't hold because the large red moves down are still in place. If, of course, this market has any type of weakness going forward. Another way of stating, yes, the volatility right now is slow and it's hanging in there, but at any given time, this thing has more likelihood than normal for any type of big or down moves at this time. Within the 400-minute time frame, the previous key low was around 5,400. Overall, long-term, short-term, mid-term in this area, 6,700. That will be a big support level I'll like to see being held, but right now it's doing a decent job in holding for the first time this newly rising 18 average. Let's move on to NEO, which has had a beautiful move over the last 2 days. Now the question arises, is this ready to go? Because when these markets are ready to go, they can just go off. It's just made a statement. And the statement is that it might do just that, but for now, it has broken past this previous resistance and has made it to this previous point. Now, I'd be looking for the area of around the 450,000 level to be support. On the 400-minute time frame, we can see that key area again down towards here. But if this thing breaks through, and like I stated before, when these things are ready to go, they will go off. So it's got the potential to do such. Finally, Swarm City token SWT has had an interesting large rally higher, but with a lot of these moves, this is why if you hold tokens, why I like to have sell orders. Hopefully if you held this, some may have gotten executed, but when I see this, it's hard to trust any of these rallies, especially in the lower names. Thank you and take care.